My mother died, giving me life, deprived of the love of a father, blamed for the loss of his wife. Lord, now I've been in a prison for something I never done. Here's been one hill after another, I climbed them all one by one. Oh, but this time, Lord, He gave me a mountain that I may never climb. It ain't just a hill any longer. Gave me a mountain this time. Whoa, I was tired of the heartaches, tired of the grief and the strife for more, so tired of working for nothing, just tired of being my wife. She took my one little sunshine, she took my pride and my joy, she took my reason for living, she took my small baby boy. Oh, but this time, Lord, He gave me a mountain that I may never climb. It ain't just a hill any longer. You gave me a mountain this time. You gave me a mountain. Gave me a mountain this time. Whoa. Thank you.